Welcome to Tech Friday, the podcast about this week's hottest tech insights, hosted by a team of technology experts from Zfort Group. We share exclusive content on artificial intelligence, big data, AR, VR, and blockchain, and watch how these emerging technologies transform businesses and lives. We'll be sharing exclusive content received from closed tech communities, paid mail shots, other exclusive podcasts, and mass media.
Hi all. Today on Tech Friday, we are going to talk about the steps to make your PoC effective. In our previous episode, we rounded up the tools to introduce your idea, proof of concept, minimum viable products, and prototypes. Decided to start with a PoC? We've prepared some tips to ease the flow. Number 1, define the goal of your project. At the early stages, you should have a clear picture. What needs your product solves? Then analyze the market, identify competitors, and ensure your offer is better in a certain way. Number 2, organize a team. Have the right people assist you during all the production stages, from planning to analyzing potential clients' feedback to improve the proof of concept. At Zfort Group, we have expertise. Number 3, don't neglect the testing. Have your potential clients test the product. You'll discover some possible mistakes, as well as it'll help you realize if you are moving in the right direction. Also, dealing with your target audience will help you set success criteria to measure its productivity. Number 4, document your PoC. We recommend having everything you do documented. It helps analyze the feedback and decide on the next steps. It's essential for keeping the team well informed of the entire process. Number 5, make a presentation of your PoC. Having your idea communicated can hardly be overestimated. It would help not to lay out the facts and figures, but also elaborate on the proof of concept goals, the big idea behind it, and the audience's needs. This is it for now. Thanks for listening. Soon, we'll talk about the peculiarities proof of concept in software development.
Thanks for listening. Join us next week to discuss the latest tech stories, trends, and insights. Be sure to subscribe now to stay on top of the world's tech community news with Zfort Group.